Alright guys, it is an exciting day at the Island Trooper 4x4 shop. We're working in conjunction with our neighbors here, Douglas Auto Hauling, and we're going to pick up a very rare Trooper in Port Alberni. We're going to drive all the way up Vancouver Island, and we're going to pick up a very rare Trooper with an 4FB1 1.8 liter turbo diesel. Actually, no, it's a naturally aspirated. But anyways, we're on an adventure. Check out the next video. We'll show you what's going on when we get there. It's about a 2.5 hour drive. Yeah, good luck with selling your house, buddy. We'll talk soon. I'll have a new Trooper and be doing the diesel thing. Oh, we're zipping down the Island Highway here. We're getting close. We are definitely on a cool adventure. We're now in Port Alberni, BC on Vancouver Island, traveled all the way up from Duncan, and it is turning out to be a really beautiful Sunday afternoon. Look at this. Just came to meet up. Look at this. Just came to meet up with our friends from Douglas Towing at the Walmart, and this baby just pulled in. Wow. Is that not super cool, or what? Or what? We're going to continue on. We're headed off to Franklin River Road, where we'll find the Trooper in 2 pieces, and then we'll shoot another video, and you can see this very cool 4FB1. Anyways, keep the rubber side down. Hey, Troopers, we are back, and wow, I got a special surprise for you right here. Look at this. This is a 1.8 liter diesel, naturally aspirated. This is the 4FB1, and it has come out of a Trooper down the hill that my associates are just having a look at now. But this is a pretty interesting transmission. I'm going to have to do some research on this transmission, because here's the transfer case. This is not what I'm used to seeing. This is a pretty rare little beast. And obviously from the paint, it's been sitting on the hillside for at least a year, I believe, maybe more. And from the paint, you can see that it's had some attention. The former owner couldn't stop bragging about how it would drive around on $5. There's the cast right into the block. 4FB1, 1.8 liter. Rumored to get in between 20 and 30,000 hours in between rebuilds. That's the rock star reputation on these engines. It's a real diesel miser. Super simple technology. No computers. Built to last 20 to 30,000 hours in between rebuilds. So my research tells me that they were put into reefer units. They were put into forklifts. They were put into boats. They were put into Troopers. They were put into Chevettes. iMarks. They were, this engine has a pretty established reputation, and I've never seen one in Canada. That's why I'm so stoked, because we're taking it home. Let's go down the hill and see what we got. Troopers, here we are in sunny Port Alberni. Beautiful way to spend the day. Let's check this beast out. This could well be the last rescue that I take on for at least until the spring. This is Trooper number 14. And I did not think I would be buying it, but with a 4FB1 rare diesel, I just had to try. Now, the thing about this truck that I'm having a little difficulty understanding is that I got told when I purchased it that it was an 87. And I know that's not true. It's got the square headlight package. And here's one of the square headlights right here. Smashed to bits, but I don't know if somebody's added these. It's an LS model. Look here, this is definitely someone else sticking a diesel logo on there. I think a mechanic got a hold of this thing, and he may have actually installed that diesel aftermarket. I don't know where the 4FB1 would have come from with a transmission that has its own transfer case for 4-wheel drive. It must have come from another Trooper. So at this point, this truck is a bit of a mystery, and there's my serial, so I'll be able to look that up and figured out, look at all the option codes on this thing. Huh. Try to get under the hood to see what is a normal option code plate, and caramba, that hood is screwed. Whew. Okay, that's gonna go in the scrap metal right away. Look at the hinges. I'm disappointed to see that back wall dented, but that can be dealt with. There's our option plate right there, and it has been sprayed over. So that's what makes this a bit of a mystery. How did this Trooper end up like this? There's a very unconventional airbox for a Trooper of this vintage. Look here, no stickers. Okay, we are missing our label. We're missing the Canadian vehicle sticker. So, it's pretty interesting. We got a key, very cool. A lot of salvageable parts off of this. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this fucking steering wheel cover. Holy fuck. Nobody touch this steering wheel, you're gonna get sick. Son of a bitch. It's got the temper light copper tinted windows. And all the glass is in good shape. All right, I gotta get to work, troopers. Keep the rubber side down. We're gonna rescue this baby right now. Success, look at this thing. It's a Trooper and a half. We got it loaded. We're heading back to the yard in Duncan. Freaking awesome. It's gonna be about a 2-hour drive home. What are the chances, right? This is what we get behind as soon as we leave the shop. Total success. We got the 4FB1 back from Port Alberni. Oh yeah, we're gonna check that out in the next video tomorrow morning.